Alright, so now in today's video we are going to look at PowerPoint. We are looking at Introduction to Microsoft PowerPoint, and today we are just going to focus on how to create a new slide, an overview of Microsoft PowerPoint. Then we'll be able to present the slides that we can be, or that we are going to develop. Okay, first of all, let's define what Microsoft PowerPoint is. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software. That's the first definition that you need to know. It's a presentation software that allows users to create and deliver slideshow presentations. It's part of Microsoft Office suite, and it's widely used for conveying information in a visual and engaging way. So if you want to present something or information visually, you need to use Microsoft PowerPoint. There are key features that you need to know about Microsoft PowerPoint. Number one is presentation creation. PowerPoint enables users to design slides with texts, images, charts, videos, and many other elements. When you check from a module, you discover to say PowerPoint's one of the key features is slide organization. It arranges the slides in a logical order and adds translations and animations to make the presentation more dynamic, the visual appealing. So PowerPoint makes various designs, themes, layouts, formatting, and many other things to appeal visually. When someone sees it, they'll be able to follow step by step. They'll not even doze. It is also used for collaboration. It allows users to share, collaborate presentations with others in a real time, either online or by saving that particular presentation and shared on OneDrive. Multimedia interaction, delivery, and so on and so forth. The uses of PowerPoint are in various places. PowerPoint is used in business, for business presentation. It is used for education purposes. It is used for training and tutorials. Like now, I'm using PowerPoint to record this screen. I'm using PowerPoint to record this screen that you are seeing today. So it is also used for marketing and advertising. You know, companies use PowerPoint to create marketing materials and presentation, including sales patches. The same PowerPoint. So you can do various things, graphic designing, tools, designing a flyer, designing whatsoever, so on and so forth. So this PowerPoint was first released in April 20th, 1987. That's when the PowerPoint presentation was released. Initially, it was meant for Macintosh computers only, but this time around, Windows, it is available. And now, today, let's run through how you can be able to reach out PowerPoint. So we are going to use two methods. We've got using the start button. You come here. In this device, there is Microsoft 2016 package. 2016 package. So you just move like this, then you check from the letters, pick search from the letters, PowerPoint 2016 is here. If not that, most of the people would have put it on the taskbar. So we're going to just double click here, or click once. Okay, here it has now brought up all the different suggestions of templates. When you are online, you can see even more and more templates. I'm online, that's the reason why I can be able to see more templates. They're very nice templates, different nature, and you can be able to search from this panel, education templates. Once you click like this, it will get to online and bring out Okay, here are some of the education presentation. what presentation are we going to create? I'm still thinking. When you look at the categories, education category has got 327 template, business has got 59, and so on and so forth. Certificates, you can also design certificates here. Let's check this, the way certificates are. Let's just click. Okay, certificates, these are some samples of certificates. Okay, when we get back to education, let's just move back again. Okay, I wanted to check on diagram, but it's fine, you can check and so on at your own free time. I'm going to pick this one. Okay, let me just pick this one. Sorry for the call. All right, now here we are going to, this is the template that we have, and we are going to edit this template bit by bit until the end of the whole lot of this particular level 1 presentation. Now we are going to click on it. Since it's online, it will need first to download a bit, but you can also use offline templates. Offline templates, they're available, that you can use at your own convenient time. Don't just stick to the online templates. Okay, I'm going to pause so that as it is downloading, once it's done, I'll be able to continue. All right, now the presentation is now set up and running perfectly. So now we just need now to do some doing a few things. So now in this case, we are going to title our presentation as my first presentation. But before we start editing the template, let's look at the ribbon. The ribbon has got so many tabs. We've got the insert tab. In the insert tab, we find tools like slide, tables, images, illustration, adds in, link, and so on and so forth. So now when I'll be explaining to say insert tab, when I say transitions, when I say animations, slideshow, these are the tabs that I'm trying to put across. These are the ones. Okay, so now in this case, we are going to edit two slides. I'm going to show you how to edit these slides and how to add a new slide, because since here we already have slides, but we want to look at how to add a new one. Okay, so now we are going to say my first presentation. Okay, by Usiku. Okay, yeah, good. That's my first presentation, and I also change this part. I think here we indicate the date 2025. Good. So this is how you can be able to edit your presentation. This is the first slide. Let's add a new slide. A new slide can be added here, or you go to insert and add from this tab. It's one and the same thing. So we can come here and click the down scroll button, then you pick what you want. There are so many different types of slides depending to the content that you want to add. So in this case, we just want to add a question and the answer. Which one can we pick? Okay, I'll just pick something blank, then we'll add things on our own. Where's the blank one? There's no blank one. Okay, we're going to add which one? Okay, let's add this one. We're going to add Zambia is a landlocked country. Zambia is a landlocked country. So we'll say, is it true? Okay, we're going to put true, or false. We want to add false. So what you can do is you go to this tab. On top here there's a text box. So this text box, we are going to drop it down here so that we add like a false statement, a false sentence, false. So let us move these two. We don't want them to be there, we just want them to be on top there. So the next thing, this text needs to be visually appealing, so we're going to change it to white. Okay, we get this, true or false. Okay, true or false. And we want this to be animated, so we'll come to animations, then you come on this bar. Okay, you pick the entrance effect. I think I'll get whip. Okay, whip, then true. I'm just going to use floating, and false. False needs to be bold, at least Arial, rounded, going to white. Okay, then we animate it, also fly in, no, float in. Okay, let's just do this. So we use Arial, rounded, and bold. True is 25, so it needs to be equal 25. Boom. Presentation title, my first presentation. Okay, good. We are now good to go 2025. Let's look at how this presentation can now be presented to the people. We are now going to use the slideshow from the beginning. If you don't want to use these tabs, you can always come down here. There is this button for slideshow. Once you click it, it automatically pop out my first presentation. This one has got no animations, it has got no translations. Then we go to the next one. The ones that don't have translations will always open together with the presentation slide and the text at once. Then we get to click there and the question will come, flow in. Zambia is a landlocked country. Is it true? Is it false? Thank you for following up, and I would want you to make a document, a PowerPoint document or a PowerPoint presentation with 2 slides. Pick a topic of your choice and then just add a few words on the second slide. On the first slide, put up the title and your name, then submit. God bless you.